Ed boy. Do not fool Ralph! You're crazy! I was born to be wild, but the cake was so sour. Ralph's mind got blank. Ralph is not amused, you... How do you say? Hello. Too much for couch potato head boys like yourself. Yeehaw! Son of a gun, you insult Ralph by denying the yields? Please, Ralph, do not get involved, ill-advised boy. Pull out your flashlight, boys. Prepare yourself for an unmerciless beating by Ralph's shoe.
我々からでもすぐの